Hello everyone, welcome to my channel again. Hope you guys doing well. And as you can see, so we finally have the garage for the Elise. Yeah, so I just moved the house, and so this is my new home. And you can see the Elise is sitting here, so I can do whatever I want now. So without worrying about the grumpy apartment manager. Yeah, remember before I worked on my cars at the apartment parking and always got stopped and yelled. Yeah, I don't know. But now it's good, so I'm free to do whatever I want. So today I'm going to show you something important for the Lotus. Yeah, especially for the Elise. So I'm going to try to remove the front access panel. So this panel here. Is I've been searching online, so I didn't find too many useful information how to remove the panel. So I just simply try by myself because I try to search on YouTube how to remove the S3 Elise front access panel. So I couldn't find any information about it, but I still have some Google instructions. But now, so I'm going to show you how to remove it step by step, so without breaking any parts, hopefully. Alright, so let's get started. So this video is going to be uncut, so you can see everything I did. Alright, I'm going to put the camera on my head, so let's get started. Alright, so it's like a point of view. First person view is how to remove the panel. So everything you need is a Allen key. I think this one is like a 5mm, something like that. But yeah, so I'm gonna show you some ideas. So basically there's some, so under here, 2 bolts to secure the panel, and also another one. It's not a bolt, it's like a retention bolt, retention knot, whatever you call it, retention bolt, I think. So 1 here, 2 here, and another 1 here. So the first thing you're gonna do, so I recommend you put the wiper in the middle, but just to do it like this, but rotate the wiper to the middle. So you can just turn on the car. You can just simply turn on the power. You don't have to turn on the engine. So by the time you move this a little bit, you gotta turn it off. I think it's a bit too much. Hold on, just do it one more time. Yeah, pretty much. Yeah, I think it's pretty much alright. Hold on. Yeah. Alright, so this is perfect. Yeah, so now you have, let's see, I have enough space. So there's 2 holes here, so for each bolt. And so pretty much, I just put my key here. Let's turn on the torch. Now you can start to remove the bolt. Because I already lose them a little bit already. But just one thing, be really careful. So don't remove the bolt. Yeah, because you might accidentally drop it. So not gonna. So if you drop the bolt, you might drop just, I don't know, middle somewhere, and you cannot reach it. Yeah, because I already lose the bolt, so I'm gonna try to remove this. So I just remove the panel and show you what's going on over there. Yeah. So actually pretty simple. It looks scary, but don't be scared. So to remove it, simply do this. You can see, because at the beginning I'm too worried about breaking any parts. Yeah. But just slightly careful. Then this one is the loose. Then the other side. Yeah, just do it slowly. Yeah, it's loose. And next step is very important, because don't do this. Yeah, if you do this, something might happen. So you're gonna scratch here, or something maybe crack. So so you only need to do this. So put like this and push towards the windscreen. Just like pull this one a little bit and push a little bit more. Yeah, that's it. And slowly remove it. Yeah, now very simple, right? So this one just removed like that. So I'm going to show you what's behind it. So you can see here. So there's some fork here. Pretty much so this is two very important bolt. So I'm trying to tell you, don't remove it for a reason, because I think Lotus did a pretty good job designing the bolt to make it pretty long, so it's easy to access. But the thing is, for example, if you accidentally remove it, you can see what's going to happen when you try to put out from this hole. It might drop. So when it drops down there, it's going to be pretty difficult to reach, right? So you probably need to remove the whole clamshell to get the bolt. So you definitely don't want it. Also, you just see some design here. You can see this panel is pretty good structure. So you can see some structure design. Also these two retaining bolt. So pretty much like that. So these two pushing here and sliding and to secure. Yeah. But just be careful, don't put this way, but just put it down. Yeah. So that's it. And the reason I want to remove this is sometimes you might need to check the this one's a brake fluid, so at the moment the level is correct, so I don't need to worry about. And also you can see some other bolt here. If you want to remove the front clamshell, so this is the first step, and you can remove all the bolt, whatever you want. You can see, yeah. And also another thing I tell you, you can see I just removed it pretty quick, so you can see how long the bolt is. Yeah, it's better maybe just leave it on. Yeah. So also one more thing, if you want to install it back, just be careful. But I don't know if it's easy to see, but let me show you. You can see. So when you want to put it back, just make sure the fork is behind the washer. So the fork will go through here. So that's the reason I want you to loose the bolt all the way to the longest, but without removing it. Because if you remove it, and when you try to do it from here, it might drop. So you don't want that thing to happen. But just simply stay on. So all the way to the top. You can see. Make sure the washer is on the top. And just carefully maybe it's hard to see, but you got the idea. So just make sure the fork are behind the washer. So pretty much like that. And yeah, so this one's secured. Yeah, I can see the fork is behind the washer, so that's good. And pretty simple. And the other side. Yeah, just 10-second job. But just make sure to do it carefully so you don't break any parts. So now I'm gonna just have to tighten the bolt to secure the panel. And it's all done. Yeah, simple and straightforward. So hopefully this video will help. I think this is pretty much the first video instruction video to show you how to remove the front access panel on the S3 Elise. Yeah, this is my car. And also one more thing I want to do is maybe, I don't know, but I still trying to think if I have to paint the front caliper, I mean all the calipers, to a different color, red or yellow. Yeah, maybe just like the Lotus yellow. I don't know, but I want to try. Yeah, maybe just using the plastic dip. So if I don't like the color, I can remove it. Alright. Yeah, nothing new, still the same. Yeah, so thank you for watching the video, and if you have any questions, please leave a comment below. Yeah, that's pretty simple. And if you like, you can add me on Instagram, Facebook, whatever you want. And maybe see you next time. Bye.